Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'll be making you all some tuna fish salad. And what I'll be putting in my tuna fish salad that most people don't put in, some people do from the South, I'll be putting eggs in my tuna. I found out that eggs make a tuna salad taste good. Tuna fish tastes much better than without it. Cause when I was a child, that's the only way I know you eat tuna. You had to eat it with eggs. My mother, if she didn't have no eggs, she didn't make no tuna. But I'll be getting back with you all with the ingredients. Okay, y'all, back with you all. For my tuna, I'll be using all of these things here, lined up, but I'm gonna tell you what they are. This is about 7 or 8 eggs. This sweet relish, and this is yellow mustard, mayo, and here's some salt, and this is pepper, and I might put a little celery seed in there, although I'll be using celery too. And here's, like I said, the solid white Albacore tuna. I use Star Kiss. It doesn't matter what name you use. If it's on sale, get it. And here's my bell pepper, and here's the red onions, and these some yellow onions. Here's some celery, and this is some jalapeno pepper. I put a little bit in just for a kick. And here's my sugar. And these are things I'll be using. Okay, the tuna, make sure you drain your tuna, get all the water out of it, and break it up. That's what I do. That's the first thing you do. And I'll be putting my wet ingredients in. I'll be using, like I told you, when I measure, this is how I measure. I take and go all the way across. And then when you go all the way across, that's a good thing. And you learn on this on your own on this. They didn't teach you that. You'll know you have enough because you don't want to put too much in here because you got a lot of ingredients. Okay, then you'll be using the red onion. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go across it, just like this, go across. And then, if I taste and I think I need a little bit more, and I will do that. So that's my red onions. Now here's some yellow onions. I'll be putting that in. These are sweet. They call them yellow sweet onions. Same thing. They don't have much tuna. And I'll be making 3 videos today, y'all. And here's some celery. And y'all tune into my videos. I make some good videos. I just need y'all to subscribe and help me with subscribers. And look at the commercial. That's how you get paid. Y'all look at them. Do something else and just there and look at them. And this a little jalapeno pepper. Put just a tap in there. Okay. So I got all of my wet. I'm gonna put the eggs in after I stir this up. I'm gonna stir this up good. See how it look. I might need to put a little bit more in here, but I got to put relish in here too. I forgot I put some relish in here to even it out. So you look at it good. You don't want to overbear it with vegetables. So I'm gonna put my sweet relish. And when I do relish, y'all, I take and use a fork and try to get some of the juice out. It don't matter if some fall in there, because that'll help. Sometimes the vinegar helps it separate. It's easy to separate. Don't get gooey and stuck. You know how I get stuff. But that's about enough relish. So I'm gonna stir this up. Let's see, I'm gonna look at it. And now, if I hadn't put these jalapeno pepper, you could have put red crushed pepper, And I'm gonna put a little bit more bell pepper in it. To me, it seems like I need a little bit more of them. I looked across and I can see that's what's missing. Making a mess, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna put them, stir this up and see. Okay, and make it tuna. This tuna be good because if you play with it like I'm doing and do it like I'm doing, you have some good tuna. I mean that. The more I take and make sure it's even out, distribute it even. It tastes pretty good. And you know what make tuna is celery. That's why I'm gonna use celery seeds too. That's what makes a tuna. Okay, now I'm gonna put some eggs in here. I put a little eggs in here. Now I'll put the eggs last. So I'm gonna add my dry. Now I'm gonna put a little salt in here. Just a little salt. I spread it all the way across the same way I do the vegetables. Put a little pepper, because you don't want to overdo it. Okay, I put a little more pepper. And I'm gonna put these celery seeds in here. Everything is made different. Okay, that's that. So I got all my dry. I got salt, pepper, and celery seeds. And now I'm going to stir this up a little bit. Like I said, play with it. Make sure you got it even because you don't want to have too much of something in here. You can taste it if you want to, but I'm going to wait till the last to taste mine. I smell my celery. That's pepper. That smells good. Pepper and the celery seeds. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, it don't matter what order you do it. I'm going to put my mayo. My mustard. Like I said, it doesn't matter. I always put a little mustard in it. That calm it down. And I'm going to get me put my mayo in here, then I'm going to stir it up. I hope I got enough. That's 1, 2. I'm going to try with 3 first. Then I got enough. I can start with 3 and since you stir it up, make sure you don't have it all wet up and not looking good. See if that's looking. So I got all my stuffing I need to put in here. Now I'm going to throw my eggs in here. I know this is going to be good. We don't know. Now eggs, you judge. Like I said, I cooked 7 to 8 eggs, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to put all of this in there because this is going to require a little more mayo. So I put that's about 6, 7. So an egg is more than a tablespoon. I know that now. Okay, stir this lightly because you don't want to make your food look, I like for mine to look, look good on the plate. So you do it gentle. Stir it up. Got some of them. So it's looking good. So I like my tuna. I got to add a little bit. I'm going to taste it. See what else I need. I'm going to put a little bit more eggs and a little bit more mayo. So I can see my eggs. They don't stretch it that much, but you might look up and get a sandwich, a little sandwich. Okay. And I'm going to put a little relish. See, I know about stuff because I'm so used to doing it. I have an eye for how much you're supposed to put in stuff. I never over-season, and I don't measure. I don't know. I guess I got that natural because I definitely don't measure. You might see me do something one way time, and the next time I don't. But like you say, start eyeballing your food. That's what I do. Let's see. I'm going to taste this. I know a little sugar might go in. So I'm going to put a little mayo in it. And that's going to be tuna. Easy to do. Make sure you follow my instructions so you can have some good tuna. This mayo in here. Set this aside and stir this up. Call it a day. I'm going to garnish. I'm going to taste it. See how much sugar I do. I need sugar. See, that looks like tuna to me. See your little eggs. You ain't got too many in there. So, I'm going to taste. Get me a spoon and taste. I can use this egg spoon. Taste and see what I need. And that's a lot. This is good. I need a tap. Only thing I need is some sugar. Just a little bit. Not a lot. Just a little bit. Okay. That's good. I don't need nothing else. See, like I said, I don't really have to measure, but new cooks, you do. Just like I say, when you're measuring your vegetable, spread your vegetable all over spread all the way across. And when you do your salt, do all of the same with all of your food. Don't do it real heavy, do it lightly. And you'll have it. It tastes, mine's always come out perfect. I've been doing that for so long. Okay, now that looks good. I'm going to put this on the plate. It's good. Let me taste with the sugar. I didn't taste with the sugar. Let me taste with the sugar. Maybe a tap more or something. I don't know, just a tap more. And it got that kick. I like it's good though. I can taste some jalapeno peppers too. Okay, y'all. This is it. I'm gonna put it on the plate, garnish it up, and put it on the plate for y'all. But that's tuna. I hope you all enjoyed my presentation. Please tune into Mattie's Kitchen. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with friends and family.